You are standing in a hallway of infinite doors. Every door represents a life you could live, a different city, a different career, a different version of who you are supposed to become. And every door is glowing. From a distance, each one looks perfect, untouched by disappointment, untouched by compromise, still holding every possibility you once imagined. So you try to keep them all open. One hand reaches toward one future, while the other holds on to another. You keep looking from door to door, terrified that the moment you choose one, all the others will disappear. You have been told that potential is a gift, that keeping your options open is intelligent, that choosing too soon means limiting yourself. But after a while, infinite possibility stops feeling like freedom. It begins to feel like pressure.
Because potential is heavy. The constant weight of unlived lives is exhausting. When you refuse to make a choice because you are afraid of making the wrong one, you do not actually keep your options open. You only delay living. One by one, the doors begin to close anyway. A city you never moved to. A career you never began. A relationship you never allowed yourself to fully enter. You watch the light disappear from each doorway. And somehow, it feels like losing something that once belonged to you. But you are not grieving real lives. You are grieving possibilities. You just end up living in the hallway. A cold, empty space where nothing truly happens. You begin mourning people you never became, missing places you never called home, carrying the sadness of stories that never existed outside your imagination. And while you are trying to protect every possible future, the present quietly passes through your hands. You are not losing your possibilities. You are losing your life while trying to preserve them.
To live a real life, you must find the courage to let the other doors close. Not because you are certain, not because the door you choose is guaranteed to lead somewhere perfect, but because a life cannot be lived from the hallway. At some point, you have to stop looking at every possible future. You have to face one door, open it fully, and step through. The life you choose will not be perfect. It will be flawed. It will be messy. It will ask things from you that pure potential never did. It may disappoint you. It may change you. It may look ordinary compared with the glowing version you once imagined. But it will be real. It will contain mornings you actually wake up to, rooms you truly inhabit, people who know you as you are, rather than as the person you might someday become. A real life carries unfinished books, jackets left on chairs, plans that change, and dreams that grow smaller in some places so they can become deeper in others. That is not failure. That is what it means to finally belong to your own life. A messy, lived-in draft is infinitely better than 100 untouched echoes. Welcome